Welcome to a classic piece of automotive history, presenting the 1950 Chevy 3800 one-ton step-side, available for just $4,600 in Hopland, California. This truck, with its six-cylinder engine and manual transmission, has an odometer reading of 92,660 miles. It's in fair condition, showcasing its original charm as a ranch truck from Northern California. With new front tires and a freshly powder-coated set of wheels, this vehicle is ready for restoration or to be transformed into a unique rat rod. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic car enthusiast dream, presenting the 1951 Buick Super Riviera, a stunning four-door sedan priced at just $5,000, located in Arvada, Colorado. This beauty features the original Fireball 263 straight-8 engine and a two-speed Dynaflow automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 30,734 miles, this car is a fantastic restoration candidate. While it has some cosmetic flaws and a few mechanical issues, its timeless style and historical value make it a must-see. For more details and to explore this classic further, visit the link in the description. Looking for a vintage pickup with character and history? Check out this 1952 Ford F3 listed at an affordable $6,000 in Osseo, Minnesota. Featuring a 1953 215 six-cylinder engine and a manual four-speed transmission with granny gear, this classic truck boasts originality and charm. With a clean title and just 73,500 miles, it's ready for restoration or weekend drives. It also includes modern upgrades like 3-point seat belts, new kingpins, and a 1970 Dana 60 rear end. Capable of hitting 65 miles per hour, this truck blends 50s-era craftsmanship with modern usability. Bonus engines, a 239 flathead and the original 215, are available for buyers paying full price. Owned and well-maintained for 17 years, it's perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. For more information, visit the provided Craigslist link in the description and make this timeless Ford yours today. Here's a classic find. A 1954 Ford, priced at just $1,000 and located in Missoula, Montana. This vintage beauty comes with a clean title and has an odometer reading of 132,000 miles. It runs smoothly but does need some steering work. With its manual transmission and gas-powered engine, it's an exciting project for any classic car enthusiast. The potential for restoration is limitless, making this a great buy. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and to make an offer, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic gem, the 1955 Chevy Bel Air, available for just $9,700 in beautiful Bayville, New Jersey. This iconic vehicle, with its clean title and automatic transmission, is a true piece of automotive history. With only 1 mile on the odometer, it's been lovingly kept in a garage since its owner passed away 5 years ago. While it hasn't been street legal for years, it does run and drive, offering a fantastic restoration opportunity for enthusiasts. Imagine the stories this car could tell. If you're interested in classic cars with historical value, don't miss out on this one. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic gem, presenting the 1955 Ford Wagon, a true piece of automotive history. Priced at just $1,500, this beauty is located in Longview, Washington. With its robust 8-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, this wagon is ready for a new adventure. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and while it does have some rust, it's very fixable, making it a perfect candidate for restoration. The tailgate is in great shape, and nearly all parts are included. Imagine the joy of bringing this classic back to life. For more details, check out the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of the past. Welcome to a classic piece of automotive history. Presenting the 1956 DeSoto Firedome hardtop, available for just $5,000 in Simi Valley, California. This vintage beauty features an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, with an odometer reading of 99,999 miles. The car is in good condition, boasting its original paint and interior. It has been cleaned up after 20 years in storage, making it a great candidate for restoration. While it does have some minor issues, including some rust and missing parts, it remains 95% complete. This car is not just a vehicle. It's a piece of history waiting for the right enthusiast to bring it back to life. For more details, check out the link in the description. Are you a classic car enthusiast looking for a piece of history? Check out this 1956 Willys CJ5, offered for just $10,000 in Moab, Utah. This Jeep features a powerful 57 Chevy 283 engine with overdrive, boasting an incredibly low odometer reading of only 19,123 miles since its restoration in 1995. The 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission provide a unique driving experience, while the 4WD and convertible body type make it perfect for off-roading adventures. The Jeep also comes with a white hardtop and an orange Jeep with a V6 Hurricane motor. If you're looking to restore or enhance, this vehicle offers great potential with its upgraded brake system and Chevy power steering. Visit the link in the description for more details on this classic beauty. Are you a classic car enthusiast or a restoration expert? Take a look at this 1956 Mercedes 220S, now available in Reno, Nevada, for just $3,800. Featuring a sleek black exterior and a vintage manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive sedan has a 6-cylinder engine and an odometer reading of 76,585 miles. While the title is missing and the condition is fair, it comes with 2 additional automatic transmissions and 2 spare 6-cylinder engines, making it ideal for a parts project or a passionate restoration. This iconic model is a rare find with potential for historical value and a timeless appeal. Visit the link in the description for more details, and act quickly if you're ready to own a piece of automotive history. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1956 Ford F-250 flatbed truck, priced at just $6,000. Located in Ramona, California, this truck is a true gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. With a powerful 272 Y-block V8 engine and a smooth 3-speed manual transmission, it boasts an odometer reading of 219,000 miles. The truck is in good condition, featuring new tires, drum brakes, and a clean title. This vehicle has great restoration potential and historical value, making it a fantastic investment. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Experience the timeless charm of this 1957 Chevy Bel Air Wagon, a classic gem ready for restoration or display. Priced at $6,900 and located in sunny Santa Clarita, California, this iconic 6-passenger wagon boasts a 283 engine, automatic transmission via power glide, power steering and brakes, and a clean title. With 87,314 miles on the odometer, this Bel Air retains its original allure, complemented by vintage California black plates. While the car has been off the road for about a year due to carburetor issues, it stands as a fantastic restoration opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Don't miss out on a distinctive piece of American automotive history. Visit the link in the description for detailed information and contact. Welcome to a classic gem. Presenting the 1958 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, available for just $2,500 in York, Pennsylvania. This car, with its original black paint and tan interior, boasts a solid build and only 75,000 miles on the odometer. While it does have some rust in the lower fenders and doors, the floors and frame are in great condition. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gas. This vehicle is perfect for restoration enthusiasts or those looking for valuable parts. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic gem. Presenting the 1958 Dodge 100 pickup, available for just $2,500 in Portland, Oregon. This beauty features a robust 8-cylinder engine, rebuilt in 1988, and is ready for your personal touch. With a clean title and a fair condition rating, it boasts a unique brown paint color and a new EPA wood bed floor. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and while it has an other transmission, it offers great restoration potential for classic car enthusiasts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic piece of automotive history. Up for sale is a 1959 Chevy Apache, a true gem for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at just $1,500, this pickup truck is located in Bosque Farms, New Mexico. With its 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this truck offers a nostalgic driving experience. The odometer reads 1,234 miles, and while it shows 70 years of wear, everything is still intact. The truck is in fair condition and has a striking blue paint color. Although the title is missing, the bond process has already begun. This vehicle has great restoration potential and is perfect for someone looking to bring a classic back to life. If you're interested in trading for a square body, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. For more details, visit the link in the description. Are you a classic car enthusiast? Check out this 1959 Ford F100, a true gem in good restorable condition. Priced at just $10,000, this pickup is located in Pueblo, Colorado. It features a robust 8-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and a clean title. With only 666 miles on the odometer, this blue beauty is ready to hit the road. The original Ford WD works perfectly, and it comes with good tires and wheels. Whether you're looking to restore a classic or simply enjoy a piece of automotive history, this F100 has great potential. Don't miss out. Visit the link in the description for more details. Looking for a classic truck with character? This 1959 Ford Ranchero might just be the gem you've been searching for. Priced at $7,900 and located in Vancouver, Washington, this truck is ready for restoration or to find a proud new owner. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, it's rear-wheel drive with some real vintage potential. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles and a clean title, this Ranchero ran until it was parked in 2019. It's a project that promises a lot of rewards. The seller mentions it could use a little TLC to bring it back to life, but overall, it's a decent car. And if you're interested, there's a second Ranchero available at the same price, featuring a fresh 302 engine and C6 transmission, perfect for the classic enthusiast. Explore its charm as a functional truck or a piece of 1950s automotive history. Visit the listing using the link provided to see photos, hear more details, and imagine the possibilities. Today, we have a classic gem for you, the 1959 Humber Super Snipe. Priced at just $2,500, this vintage sedan is located in Fraser Heights, British Columbia. With a robust 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it offers a smooth driving experience. The odometer reads 11,111 miles, showcasing its potential for restoration. This all-original, numbers-matching vehicle comes with the original owner's manual. While it needs a tune-up and some interior work, it's a fantastic opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Don't miss out on this piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1959 Willys Jeep CJ5, available for just $5,500 in Old Town, Idaho. This iconic vehicle features a robust 4-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, making it a true gem for any classic car enthusiast. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this Jeep is in good working order and ready for adventure. It comes with a custom hardtop, soft top, and a roll bar, enhancing its appeal for both collectors and off-road lovers. The clean title adds to its value, making it a fantastic restoration project or a reliable classic for daily use. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a project car with vintage charm? Check out this 1959 VW Baja Bug, perfect for enthusiasts and restorers alike. Priced at just $3,600, located in Citrus Heights, California, this car features a custom body, a 1975 1800 engine, and a manual transmission. It runs and drives with a clean title in hand. The car has a full roll cage, roof rack, and IRS rear suspension, plus a tow bar. Some wiring and a windshield are needed to finish it up. A great opportunity for anyone wanting to restore a classic VW. Check the link in the description for more details.